So here's an example of that chain drive system. It's calling for a chain primary, meaning the first in line, and a gear-driven secondary. So primary, secondary. So the chain has to be the driver, gear has to be the driven. And they want to have it so 20 of these makes one of these. So 20 spins will give us one spin. This won't get that gear ratio. Let's see how it works, how it's built. So I have a sprocket to a sprocket. This shares an axle like the 15-to-1 Gear Lab did with a little idler gear down here which drives this final one. So the driver drives the driven, this driver drives this driven. We want it so 20 make 1. Right now I got a 12 tooth and a 12 tooth. This is a 1-to-1 system. Back here we got a 12 and an 84. This is a 7-to-1 system. So 1-to-1, 7-to-1. This is a 7-to-1 system. I need 20-to-1. How am I going to do that? So I want 20 to give me 1. Right now I have 1-to-1, 7-to-1. So I have an overall 7-to-1 system. So I got to find the right sprockets, find the right gears to give me a 20-to-1 system. Good luck.